Good day everyone. For today's topic, you are going to learn about the nervous system. The human nervous system is made up of central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. The next slide is all about the organization of the human nervous system. So this is the organization of the nervous system. So we have here, as what I have said a while ago, that our nervous system divided into two. We have the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. So under the central nervous system, we have brain and spinal cord. And then under the peripheral nervous system is we have somatic nervous system and autonomic. Then under somatic, we have cranial nerves and spinal nerves. And for autonomic nervous system, we have sympathetic nervous system and parasympathetic nervous system. So this is the organization of the human nervous system. So what is the role of the nervous or the central nervous system in our body? So the central nervous system, it is the control center of the body. So when we say control center, it is the one that able to receive information outside or inside our body. So these are the following functions of our central nervous system. First, it relays messages. So again, whatever information or how our body reacts from inside or outside the environment, it is going to be relayed to our central nervous system. Next, it integrates information. So when we say integrate, it means it combines or it gathers all the information, and then after gathering all the information, it is the one that compare and analyzes the information. Then after that, it coordinated the responses. So again, this is the main function of our central nervous system. It is the control center of the body. We are just going to focus our topic about the central nervous system, particularly our brain and spinal cord. So the next slide is all about a short video clip on how our brain and spinal cord work.
The central nervous system. Objective: to learn about the central nervous system. The nervous system is responsible for sending, receiving, and interpreting information from all parts of the body. It responds to external stimuli and also monitors and coordinates the functions of internal organs. The central nervous system is composed of the brain and spinal cord. Both are enclosed in protective layers called meninges. The outer layer is called the dura mater. The middle layer is called the arachnoid mater, and the inner layer is called the pia mater. The subarachnoid space, or the space between the arachnoid and the pia mater, is filled with cerebrospinal fluid. The brain. The brain is located in the cranium of the skull. It is made of three main parts: the cerebrum, cerebellum, and medulla oblongata. The cerebrum is the largest part of the brain and is divided into left and right hemispheres. Each is composed of a frontal, temporal, parietal, and occipital lobe. The two hemispheres are connected by a nerve tract called the corpus callosum. The surface of the cerebral hemisphere is folded, which increases the surface area. The cerebrum is concerned with learning, memory, interpretation, and personality. The cerebellum is located in the back of the brain, just below the cerebrum. It controls balance, movement, and coordination. The brainstem is located beneath the cerebrum and in front of the cerebellum. It connects the brain with the spinal cord and is composed of the midbrain, pons, and medulla oblongata. The brainstem controls a number of autonomic functions, including respiration and blood pressure. The spinal cord. The spinal cord extends from the medulla oblongata and down the back. It is protected by the vertebral column. The spinal cord is a hollow tube containing cerebrospinal fluid. 31 pairs of spinal nerves arise from the spinal cord. These nerves transmit information from body organs to the brain and from the brain to the organs. Summary. The brain and the spinal cord comprise of the central nervous system. The brain is located in the cranium. The spinal cord is located in the vertebral column.